Dear students, in this video we are going to see something about a new topic, degrees of comparison. As we have studied about adjective in earlier video, this is only the related part of that topic. That means degrees of comparison is directly related to adjective. I will remind you about adjective. Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun, that adds something to the meaning of a noun. For example, interesting book. Book is noun, interesting is adjective. I have just reminded you about adjective. But now we are going to study about the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees for every adjective. They are formed in different ways. As you can see in the page, there are 3: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Old, we can take the first one. Old is positive degree. Older is the comparative degree. Oldest is the superlative degree. What you have understood is that there are 3 types of degrees in English. It is related to an adjective. Every adjective has 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Examples are here: strong, stronger, strongest; healthy, healthier, healthiest; loving, more loving. Please take care of this one. Lovinger is wrong. So when we take this kind of words, we usually add R or ER to the positive to form comparative degree. ST or EST is added to the positive degree to form the superlative degree. There are many ways to form comparative degree and superlative degrees. Before going to that topic, I would like to tell you something about the use of comparison. Degrees of comparison, that means a quality in different quantity. For example, he is a good person. Another boy. That boy is this boy. And the third boy, he is the best boy. Good, better, best. That means quality of goodness is different in quantity in each of these 3 boys. First one good, second one better, and the last one best. You can see the first 4: loving, more loving, most loving. Now you should take a special care about learning to form comparative and superlative from the positive degree. First one, you just see long, longer, longest. If you see the second, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, you can formulate certain rules out of these 2 examples. For example, long, it is a 1 syllable word. There is only 1 syllable in this word, long. And the last 2 letters are consonants, N and G. In such cases, you are supposed to add ER and EST to form comparative and superlative degree. In the second case, sweet, last letter consonant and before 2 vowels. In such cases, you are supposed to add ER and EST. So, what you should understand is that there are 2 ways to form comparative and superlative degrees. 2 words that end in 2 consonants and a single consonant preceding 2 vowels. So there are so many other words you can find in English, and you can form the comparative and the superlative degrees of those words just applying this rule. Last two consonants, then ER and EST. Last single consonant and before two vowels, then also ER and EST. And in second case, you just see hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest. Here doubling of the last consonant in the positive. What is the rule? Last letter is a consonant and before that a vowel. In that cases, last consonant will be doubled. H-O-T, T is consonant, O is vowel. That is why double T in hotter and hottest. The same rule is applicable in the case of fat and fatter, fattest. Double T is because T consonant, A is vowel. That is all about this degrees of comparison. In the next video, we will say some more rules about degrees of comparison formation. Bye for the time being.